Alright, we're going to talk about scatter plots and trend lines. And the first thing we're going to touch on are trend lines. And another name for this is a line that best fits. So that's another word for trend line. And these mean it's just a straight line that should lie as close as possible to the points of data in the scatter plot. Alright, so that just means that, say we have a scatter plot, and it looks like this, kind of like that. You're going to just take a straight edge, and a straight edge is like a ruler. I'm using an envelope, or a book edge, or just anything that's straight that you can kind of draw along. So I'm going to kind of just draw a line straight through my data points, just like that. And this is called a trend line, or a line of best fit. And you're going to use this to predict or to kind of like approximate certain values. And I'm going to show you this down here. So if you go down here, this is also in your practice part of Schoology on for today. So if you want to follow along on that page, that would be great. Kind of like cut and paste this into your journal for Miss Rice's class, so that I know you followed along. All right, so on number 5, we're going to draw a line that best fits. And now we're going to take a straight edge, and we're going to just draw a line directly through most of those. Okay, kind of like just in between all of them. And so right here it says on A, when x equals 10, we want x to equal 10. What is a reasonable prediction for the value of y? All right, this is x, this is y, here's 10. So I'm going to go up to where it touches there, and then I want to know what y is, and y is 4. So I'm going to put y is 4. That's basically all we're doing. I'm going to keep that dot there. All right, then it says when y is 6. So here, what is a reasonable prediction for the value of x? So I'm going to go when y is 6, and I'm going to make it go all the way across. And it touches at 6 again. So x is going to be 6 right there. There's my dot. So it's kind of predicting. So you need to draw the trend line. You can't just guess and check. You need to draw the trend line, and then you need to go to where it says to go. And I'll show you, for example, this one. So I'm going to draw a trend line here. I'm going to get a straight edge, and I'm just going to go in between, try to go in between all of them. Just like that. All right. So then it says when x is 5. So I'm going to go when x is 5, and I'm going to go up to it. It's approximately right there, right, when x is 5. And it's kind of 150, right? A little higher than 150. It's a little higher than 150. So I'm going to say about 170. You're just kind of like approximating. It's a little bit more, but it's way less than 200, so it's going to be about 170. And then when y is 225, so I'm going to go to y, and here's 225, and I'm going to go all the way across to where it touches. And it's about 10. So x equals 10, just about. All right, number 7. I'm going to draw my line again. Get a straight edge and just draw a line straight through all of it. and x equals 2. So I'm going to go one up, and it's about right there, and I want to say about 35. So y equals 35. Just about there, right? Oopsies, I need to keep that dot there. All right, and then it's when y equals 5. So y equals 5 is right here. So I'm going to go across until where it touches, and it's a little past 7. So I'm going to say about 7.5. All right, so there you go. If you have any questions, let me know.